So, I got stopped in the middle of the road by this little bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is. See? But he's all puffed up about something. And he was just parked right in the middle of the road. I think maybe I can go now. What do you think? I don't know what kind of bird he is, and I don't know what he's looking at. Obviously, he's looking at something in the woods over there. But as you can see, it's raining a little. I'm out here on this road by myself, so I'm just gonna back it up a little bit. Because he's a cool little thing. Bye, little bird. That's cute. I couldn't believe it. He was just like right out there in the middle of the road. Stop the van. I am doing something. It keeps raining, and then the sunshine, and then it rains, and it's sunshine. So I hope you enjoyed my little bird. It's cute. Okay, back on the road we go.